It's the NR1 that was used in Helsinki city region traffic, standing right here in the old colors, original ones, orange and greyish white, like this. It's very beautiful. I took pictures of this one as well. So it's gonna be a tram cafe here, while over there they are building, they're constructing the new light rail line. But these trams were originally manufactured in here in Tampere, Tammerfors by Valmet-Strömberg between 1973 and 77, as well as another model in the 1980s, 83 to 87. It was supposed to have been completed in June 2019. Today it's the 11th of July. It will only open tomorrow on the 12th of July 2019. Let's just take a look at where the tracks are, so I can show you here. It will start the new light rail line in Tampere, Tammerfors. It will start testing in the next year, 2020, and then in April 2021 it's starting testing traffic with passengers. Official opening scheduled for August 2021. Just 1 minute, let me show you right here. Yeah, as you can see, there are the tracks already laid out, and it's already laid out almost the full length of the first stage between Terrace Hospital and Pynikin Tori, and another branch to Hervanta, the biggest suburb of Tampere, Tammerfors, located within Tampere. So that's it.